Jenny Fish with One Big Happy Yarn Company, and join me for the Strawberry Fluff Cowl Knit Along. This is a 2-color brioche project. You can get the kit at onebighappy.com. The kit includes the yarn and the pattern. You'll have 2 different options for yarn. So on this one, we have a cotton version. On this one, we have this novelty, fluffy, amazingly poofy yarn. And then join me for episode 1, where I'll go over how we cast on and knit brioche. I love this pattern because it is reversible. There you go. It looks good on either side. You can twist it, you can wear it however you want. I was inspired to name it Strawberry Fluff after the color of the yarn that I chose for this project, but you can use whatever color yarn you want. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when episode 1 comes out. Thank you, have a great day, and happy knitting!